Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So in the continuation of the previous video, so now let us make account for the rest of the accounts. So in the previous video, we made account up to this one, note payable, right? So that was up to note payable. Now after that, the next one is purchase return. So purchase return is on debit or on credit. Purchase return is on credit. So we have to record on it as credit side. By which account? By note table. Go for the day 3. I have already drawn the format here. On day 3, record this one. By what account? By account payable, right? By note payable. By note payable. And how much is the balance? Record here. First of all, check whether it's correct or not. Yes, by note table, balance is equal to how much? 5,000. So record 5,000 here, right? That was purchase return. Check the next one whether you have purchase return or not. So this was purchase return, purchase. So up to the end, there is no more purchase return. So there is no more purchase return, so close the account of purchase, right? So just keep only 2 row here. So ایره کلوز میکنیم دیگه کدام بالانس اینجا برای وجود نداره. ایره کلوز کنیم یک لاین برش بکشین و ایره چی کنیم لا حول بالله یک لاین برای چی کنیم خیلی ببینید all balance های داری. این ساید چند داره؟ این ساید 5 داره. And this side is equal to how much? This side is also equal to 5,000. Right? Should be 5,000. How much is the difference between below the line and above the line? It is amount of 5,000. So in this column, record end of the month. End of the month and record to balance carried down. So this is done. Go for the next account. Copy this one. Paste it here itself. Remove this part. Remove this part as well. After purchase return, what is the next account? Discount received. So here mention discount received. Discount received, right? Discount received account. That is done. Discount received. Discount received is on debit or credit? It is on credit. So we have to record on its credit side. Which date? 4th. Record on its credit side. Date is 4th. By what account? So now this one is important. On 4th. This one is by what account? This one is again like cash. This one is also by note payable. Cash also was by note payable, but balance of cash was 13,500. Discount received is also by note payable, but balance is how much? 1,500, right? So record here by what? By note payable. Balance is how much? Balance is only 1,500. Check the next. Do we have any more discount received? There is no more discount received, so we have to close the account. Okay? So close the account easily. Draw a line here as well as here, right? And find out the balance. This side balance is equal to how much? 1,500. And this side balance, there is no balance, so that balance should be recorded on this side as well. Below the line and above the line, difference is 1,500. So record end of the month, right? To balance C/D or carry down. So this one is also done. Copy for the next account. Of course. What is the next account? Record it here. After discount, the next account is note receivable. What account? Note receivable account. So record note receivable. Yeah, record N/R account. N/R account. That is fine. Now let us go for note receivable. Note receivable is on debit or credit? It is on debit. To which account? To sales account. Balance is how much? 30,000. So to sales, 30,000. Which date? 7. So record on debit side, date 7. To which account? To sales account, right? How much is the balance? Balance is equal to 30,000. ایره چی کردم ریکارد خیلی ببینی شد دیگه نود ریسیبل داریم بله نود ریسیبل در اینجا هم داریم بعد به اینجا چی هست نود ریسیبل در کردت قرار گرفته از طرف کردت نشته میکنیم بای وات بای سیلز ریترن یا هم در کدام تاریخ است در تاریخ هفته ماتا بالانسش چند هست 10 در تاریخ 7 بازی طرف ریکارد میکنیم. این دفعه نشته کردیم تو، این دفعه بای چی نشته کردیم؟ بای سلس ریتن. درست است؟ بالانسش چند داد؟ بالانسش بالانسش چی کردیم؟ ریکارد. در این پایین باز نود ریسیبل داریم، برای داریم در طرف چند؟ طرف کردیت است. درست است؟ طرف کردیت نشته شد تاریخ 9. خیلی بینید طرف کردیت نشته میکنیم تاریخ چند؟ تاریخ 9. درست است؟ یک دو سه کالم اضافه جبرش میکشیم. این حال در تاریخ 9 شد در طرف کردیت آمد. By which? By what account? By cash account as well as by discount received. By اردویش. چرا پیشتر اگر کش ساختی نشته کردی تو account receivable به 18000 و discount هم نشته کردی همچنان تو. این حالا که نوبت از این شده ای بای اردویش. By cash as well as by discount. اینجا نشته میکنیم که by cash account as well as by what? By discount allowed. By discount allowed. درست است؟ discount allowed. discount allowed. کما که کالم ازی رو چی میکنیم؟ بزرگتر میسازیم که discount allowed account. account خیره نمیگه. درست است؟ بالانس ها رو نشته کنیم. چقدر کش بود؟ کش چند دلار بود؟ 18. و discount allowed ما چند بود؟ 2000. اگر اشتباه نکرده باشم. پس این سایت همچنان صحیح برشت. این حالا سایت که توتال پیدا میکنیم که دو سایت. توتال of the site is 30,000. این یک لاین چک برش اضافه کن. توتال این سایت سایکو که چند میشه؟ 10 جمع 28 جمع 18 28 جمع 2 30. این سایت هم 30,000 این سایت هم 30,000. دلا این حالا دلت که هر بالانس ریکارد میکنی. ریکاردی بالانس 30,000 اینجا ریکارد کو و 30,000 هم این طرف چی کو ریکارد. این حالا بالای لاین هم 30,000 پایین لاین هم چی 30,000. اینجا بالای لاین هم 30,000 پایین لاین هم 30,000. ایام مثل نوت پیبل دو طرفش مساوی شد هیچ بالانس نداره. پس دو سایت ما هم مساوی شد بالانس نداره. این چی مانا؟ به این مانا که من 30,000 اول به یک نفر به قرض فروختم. 10,000 روپا جنس پس آورد 18,000 روپا پیسه داد و 2,000 روپا ما برش دیسکاونت دادم. پس یادم دیگه از ما قضا نیست. پس که نیست اکانتش چی میشه؟ کلوز میشه. دیگه هیچ بالانس برای این نداره. میریم یک دو اکانت دیگر هم باقی مونده میسازم بعدم استاپ. درست است؟ remove this part and of course draw. What is the next account after node? The next one is sales account. What account? Sales account. So record sales account. Here record sales. Sales account. Record sales account. Sales account. Yes, sales here itself. Sales is on debit or sales is on credit? Of course, sales is on credit. Record on it as credit side. Buy what? Buy note receivable. Amount is 30,000. Right? Record on 7 on it as credit side. Buy what? Record buy note receivable. How much is the balance? Balance is equal to amount of 30. Right? So there is no more sales. Do we have sales? No, there is no more sales, so we have to close the account. So in order to close, so there is no more for this much column, so only two rows are needed. That's it. So close this one as well as this one itself. 3000 نشته کو برش 3000 این طرف نشته کو 3000 این طرف هم چی کو برش ریکارد کو. اینا بالای لاین پایین لاین تفاوت هم گرفتیم 3000 اینجا چی میشه ریکارد میشه. درست است؟ end of the month ریکارد کردیم نشته میکنیم to balance carry down. Right? That's also done. Let us copy this one for the next. Okay. After sales, the next one is sales return, right? So make one account for sales return. Record here sales return. Sales return account. Sales return. Okay, fine. Sales return is on debit or on credit? Sales return is on debit, so record on it as debit side. To which account? To node receivable. Amount is how much? 10,000, right? Date is 7. So it is on debit, so record on it as debit side. Date is 7. To which account? To node receivable account. Balance is how much? Balance is equal to 10,000. Record this, right? Whether it was 10 or not, yes, we got it is 10,000. So 10,000 Now, any more sales return? So there is no more sales return, so we have to close the account. ای account چه چیکو close. پس ایرم لاین بکش برش، ایرم چیکو برش لاین بکش. Balance ها رو بگی 10,000 on this side and 10,000 on the other side. And above the line, also 10,000, right? Record end of the month to, sorry, by balance carry down. That's also done. So one more account is remaining, and that is over from this example. So okay, expand this one. Okay. So remove this part and check the last account. What is the last account? Last account is discount allowed. So make one account for discount allowed, right? Discount allowed account. Discount allowed. Check this one. Discount allowed is on debit or credit? Discount allowed is on debit. Date 9. We have to record on it as debit side. To which account? To note receivable account. And amount is equal to 2,000. How much is the amount? And whatever amount is recorded against discount allowed, so that one to be recorded. مقابل discount allowed چند هزار است؟ 2,000. درست است؟ پس میریم در تاریخ 9 چون دبت است، در دبتش نوشته میکنیم تو which account؟ تو note receivable. درست است؟ note receivable account رو ریکارد میکنیم. مقدارش چند هزار است؟ 2,000. دیگه کدوم چیز وجود نداره، پس اکانت چی میکنیم؟ کلوز میکنیم. ایرم کلوز میکنیم و ایرم کلوز میکنیم. بالانس هایش بگیریم. بالانس این سایت 2,000. بالانس این سایت دیگه هم چند است؟ 2,000. درست؟ از لاین بالا چند است؟ از لاین بالا 2,000. درست؟ در تاریخ end of the day رو نشته میکنیم by balance carried down. پس اکانت ما چیش کلوز شد. So how many ledgers are made? یک لیجر، 2، 3، 4، 5، 6، 7، 8، 9، 10، 11 و 12. 12 دانه لیجر ساختیم. به این ترتیب لیجرها رو میتونیم چی بکنیم؟ به صورت